You really still need water to flush down your urine? BOXIO saves your butt and makes you the king or queen of your camping site. Very casual and 100% clean. This is how you dispose of your morning urine. And what do you do about the smell? A good dose of chemicals? No way.
Oh, it doesn't even look like a toilet.
Correct. Because with BOXIO, you've got style on the go. You want to know how this thing works? Stay tuned. Now we're done being stinky. Urine, feces, no chemicals, no water, nada. Because BOXIO is compostable and a purely natural product. 91.3% of our customers never want to travel without BOXIO ever again. Why would you?
BOXIO, always with me.
Always.
Stay clean and comfortable on the go, and treat yourself to a BOXIO.